A Dubai-based company, Mara Hospitality, is looking for a head chef. The position will be focused on the corporative and private catering events and school catering verticals of the business. Note: mandatory requirements are here. Unfortunately, applicant not meeting them cannot be considered. You must have to meet these criteria, which are I am going to explain you. Currently residing in UAE, you must be available in UAE for face-to-face interview. Minimum 4 years experience in similar position. Experience in fine dining as well as high volume catering available immediately. UAE driving license will be preferred, but it is not mandatory. Passionate, hardworking, committed, and a driven mind, set willing to learn and develop new skills, prepared to live an independent lifestyle. If you fall in above criteria, you can send your email to the given email address. In vacancy for staff nurse, the Saudi German hospital is looking for a staff nurse, department anesthesia or recovery. Location is Dubai branch. For those interested, kindly share your update CV and DHA eligibility copy to below email. You must have a DHA license for eligibility of a staff nurse. If you fall in this criteria, you can send your CV to the given email address, but make sure write in the subject title recovery nurse. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel, so you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the videos related to the job post. Thank you. A consultancy based job, tube miller operator in the steel manufacturing industry. Requirement: experience in roll setting and making different size of pipe, sand tubes, knowledgeable in measuring outside diameter of pipes and making thinner sections when required, capable and experienced in handling the torque head and making sure that the required dimensions are accurately made, capable of frequently checking the length and dimension of produced pipe tubes and making sure it meets the requirements, capable of monitoring the pipe tube welding line and timely removal of burr from the welded section, preferably candidates with prior experience in the steel manufacturing industry. All benefit like transport, accommodation, food will be provided by the company, also medical health as per UAE labor law. Candidates can share the resume to the given email address or through WhatsApp number. Amite Private School Teachers. Amite School Sharjah is currently hiring for the following positions for 2024 academic years. Teachers will with a minimum 2 years of UAE experience will be considered. Number 1, PGT Physics teacher. Number 2, Primary and TGT Social Studies teacher. Number 3, Primary and TGT English teacher. Number 4, PGT Chemistry teacher. Number 5, PRT French teacher. Number 6, PE teacher. Number 7, swimming coach male. And number 8, PGT Math teacher. Number 9, Primary Hindi teacher. Number 10, KG teacher. If your candidature fits the position, kindly email me your CV at the given email address with position as your subject line. An oil and gas based company is looking for a rigger foreman, valid rigging certification, at least 5 years of rigging experience in the oil and gas construction industry, strong knowledge of rigging techniques, equipment, and safety procedures. Experience in supervising and leading a team, oversee and manage rigging operations on construction site, ensure compliance with safety regulations and company policies, supervise and train rigging crew member, plan and schedule rigging activity, inspect rigging equipment and ensure proper maintenance, coordinate with other trades and departments to ensure smooth workflow, monitor productivity and quality of work, troubleshoot and resolve any issue or delays, maintain accurate records and documentation, communicate effectively with team members, clients and stakeholders. Work location site based, it's Abu Dhabi. Available immediate to join. Share your resume to the given email address. Shortlisted applicants would be contacted. A reputed company name is GEIB, it's based on Dubai, is looking for a PRO, Public Relationship Officer, who has experience in UAE minimum 1 year, can apply, proper immigration knowledge, should be there for making employment visa or renewing visa, modifying, etc. Salary up to 5,000 dirham based on interview performance. If you fall in above criteria, you can send your CV to the given email address or a contact number.